A Monte Carlo simulation will tell if the results of a measurement are good or bad. It works by simulating thousands of builds using virtual parts and collecting data for each build. The simulation randomly varies tolerances within specified ranges to all parts, assembles the parts as defined in the build sequence, and then takes measurements for desired outputs. This sequence is repeated a specified number of times to populate a statistical distribution. The simulation output is presented as a histogram and statistical data for each defined measurement. The histogram plots the frequency that a measurement value should fall within a certain interval. The width of the histogram represents the range of variation of that measurement over all of the simulated builds. The user-defined specification limits signify the acceptable manufacturing range. From the simulation results, the mean, standard deviation, distribution, and other statistics can be determined per measurement.